Hi SSU friends, my name is Marcie Simms and I'm the Dean of Students at Shawnee State University, and I am your guest chef for the week. So it's a rainy afternoon the day we're filming this, and so I decided I would do some comfort food. And also, students, this would be also a good recipe, I think, for finals week because you can just heat it up all week long. So I am making cheese dip. So it has 3 ingredients. It has an entire box of cheese. You can use any brand you would like. This one came from Aldi, but you use the entire box. I have already chopped it up and put it inside of the bowl. And then also you use half an onion. I've already chopped that as well. And then you use an entire can of whole tomatoes, peeled tomatoes, and you don't drain those or anything. So this is what we're going to do. The cheese is already in the bowl. All right, now we're going to add the entire can of whole tomatoes. You do not cut them, chop them, or anything. They will cook when we put them in the microwave, so super easy. And then our next ingredient is a half onion that I've just chopped up beforehand. And now all you do is pop this entire bowl in the microwave for about 3 minutes and stop it and stir it. So we're going to go ahead and move this over to the microwave. Okay, we have microwaved our 3 ingredients for 3 minutes. As you'll see, you have to do a little chopping and stirring, and then we're going to add it actually back into the microwave. But this just gives us a chance to kind of chop up some of those ingredients since they've started to melt. So we are going to go ahead and continue to stir this for a few minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and put it back in the microwave for 2 more minutes. All right, we've got our cheese sauce out of the microwave. So we did 3 minutes, then we did a stir where we just kind of took our spoon and kind of chopped up some of the tomatoes. And we did 2 more minutes. And then after you get it out of the microwave, you have to give it quite a stir. Sometimes I put it back in for a minute or 2. It really just depends. And then if you're having this at your house, you just would pop it back in the microwave as needed. You could eat on it for a couple days, and again, you just continue to microwave it. As you can see, that's all we have to do. Again, there are 3 ingredients: a box of cheese, a half an onion, a can of tomatoes, and a microwave. That's all you have to have for this. And then you microwave it for 3 minutes and 2 minutes. And now I think we're going to give it a try. It's really good. I know it doesn't look as good as it is, but it is delicious. And I always have lots of compliments whenever I have this, whenever we have events at our house. It's really good. And for some reason, the tomatoes make it awesome. I hope you enjoy, and good luck with the rest of the semester, students.